Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Corsair RGB Fan Hub is probably one of the most sought-after PC components for enthusiasts looking to create a visually stunning and highly customized gaming rig, offering unparalleled control and synchronization of multiple RGB fans, enabling you to achieve mesmerizing lighting effects that will elevate your PC setup to a whole new level of aesthetic appeal, transforming your system from a simple machine into a captivating centerpiece that reflects your unique personality and style. Number 5. Corsair iCUE Commander Core XT. Transform your PC case into a smart case with the Corsair iCUE Commander Core XT. It gives you precise control over your system's cooling and lighting, all managed through intuitive software. It powers and controls up to 6 PWM fans. Enjoy whisper quiet operation at low loads with its 0 RPM mode for ultimate silence. With it, you can manage up to 264 RGB LEDs directly. Connect your Corsair RGB fans and other RGB devices for a stunning light show. It intelligently detects various Corsair RGB fans, from the high-performance ML Pro RGB to the vibrant QL RGB, simplifying setup. 2 included temperature sensors provide accurate system temperature monitoring via Corsair iCUE software, ensuring optimal cooling. A USB 2.0 pass-through port lets you connect additional internal devices such as a Corsair PSU or cooler, streamlining your setup. Create custom fan curves and lighting profiles. It automatically adjusts fan speeds and RGB lighting based on system temperatures for personalized control. What we like. It can manage up to 6 fans and dual lighting channels. This gives you precise control over cooling and RGB effects. If you need extensive control over your case's fans and lighting, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The back of the body is magnetized and attaches neatly to the wire tray. It allowed me to quiet my PC down significantly. Works for RGB or non-RGB fans. Has a couple temp sensor to put where you want need but aren't requires, and its magnetic attachment or double side tap so easy to place onto case fan software works great, and honestly easy to use hub with individual fan control. Number 4. Corsair iCUE QL120 RGB Triple Fan Kit. Get ready to experience breathtaking RGB lighting with the Corsair iCUE QL120 RGB fans. Its stunning design and vibrant colors will transform your PC setup. Each fan boasts 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs, creating mesmerizing lighting effects on both sides. Radiate spellbinding colors and effects, no matter your airflow configuration. The brilliant white fan housing reflects light beautifully, enhancing the vibrant RGB and complementing other white Corsair products. It's a clean, refined look. Easily control the RGB lighting with the included lighting node core and Corsair iCUE software. It's simple to set up with USB 2.0 and SATA connections, minimizing cable clutter. Unlock dynamic RGB lighting synchronized across all your iCUE compatible products. Create amazing animated effects and immersive lighting with compatible games using the powerful Corsair iCUE software. Keep your system cool and quiet. These fans deliver powerful airflow up to 41.8 CFM at speeds up to 1500 RPM, while maintaining a low noise level of 26 dBA. What we like. This kit offers stunning RGB lighting with 34 LEDs per fan. The brilliant white housing makes it a stylish addition to your PC. If you're looking for a visually striking and high-performance fan kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Right off the bat, these fans look spectacular. The ability to not just change the outer ring, but the inner ring is great on its own, but you can go even further as they've divided the zones into front and back as well. This means you can really get crazy with the lighting effects and combos, which is something Corsair has done very well over the years. There are 34 total LEDs per fan, which is just insane to think about. The fans are beautiful and they can run pretty quiet if you set them up properly. Been debating on purchasing these for a year due to the premium price tag on them, but now that I feel no regrets. They are well built, whisper quiet, are keeping my system cool, and look great. The software runs smooth and you can set up multiple profiles, has great default patterns, can customize and download custom profiles from others easily. Plus can set up hardware patterns to run while the software is off during standby mode, or if you just want to close out the iCUE software to free up a little more resources. Number 3. Corsair iCUE SP120 RGB Elite. Get ready to experience the ultimate in cooling and customization. This triple fan kit offers superior performance and stunning RGB lighting, all controlled by the included iCUE lighting node core. It features AirGuide technology for improved airflow, whether you're using it as intake, exhaust, or with a radiator. This ensures efficient cooling for your components. Each fan boasts 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs, creating vibrant and mesmerizing lighting effects. Customize your setup with millions of colors and dynamic lighting patterns. The included iCUE lighting node core makes controlling the RGB lighting a breeze. Easily manage up to 6 Corsair RGB fans through the intuitive Corsair iCUE software. With powerful Corsair iCUE software, you have complete control over your lighting. Synchronize your lighting effects across all your iCUE-compatible devices for a unified and stunning look. They operate quietly at just 7 dBA, yet deliver impressive airflow of up to 47.7 CFM. Enjoy powerful cooling without the distracting noise. These fans spin up to 1,500 RPM, providing excellent cooling performance. Maintain optimal temperatures for your system's components, even under heavy load. What we like. It features AirGuide technology for improved cooling and runs quietly. The 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs provide vibrant lighting. If you prioritize quiet operation and efficient cooling, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to wire up with the included Corsair RGB Hub. Works flawlessly with iCUE software. The software works fine, no issues. Just keep something in mind. The RGB Hub has 6 ports for 6 fans. The RGB Hub has 6 ports for 6 fans. If you're gonna install 3 fans, you have to connect them in Siri manual shows you how. But, if you get 4 fans, the 4th fan goes to the 4th port, which I didn't do the first time. I connected it to the 6th port cause I misread the manual. Great fans and great software. Number 2. Corsair iCUE SP140 RGB Elite. Experience the ultimate in cooling and customization with these stunning fans. Its unique design ensures efficient airflow, keeping your system cool and quiet. These fans feature AirGuide technology. This directs airflow for improved cooling, no matter how you mount them. With 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs, it creates captivating lighting effects. Customize your system's look with vibrant colors and dynamic patterns. Easily manage the RGB lighting with the included lighting node core and Corsair iCUE software. It simplifies setup and reduces cable clutter. Unlock the full potential of your RGB lighting with the powerful Corsair iCUE software. Synchronize lighting across all your compatible products for a unified look. The translucent, low-noise fan blade is custom designed for maximum performance. It provides high airflow while keeping noise levels low, at just 18 dBA. These fans deliver powerful cooling performance. They push up to 68.1 CFM of air with 1.66 mm H2O of static pressure, keeping your components cool even under heavy load. With PWM control, you can fine-tune the fan speeds to your needs. Adjust the speed from 450 RPM to 1200 RPM for optimal cooling and noise balance. What we like. This kit boasts AirGuide technology and 140mm fans for superior cooling. The 8 RGB LEDs per fan create mesmerizing lighting effects. If you need powerful cooling and impressive lighting, this is a top contender. What people say. These fans were perfect for my air cooler for nice, feel sturdy as heck and are so much quieter than the originals. The fans are awesome, ran into a little trouble from lack of internal USB 2 connections, eventually, problem solved and I couldn't be happier. Les ventilateurs sont silencieux, puissance et lumineux. Ils disposent de huit LED RGB personnalisables sur chaque ventilateur, que se synchronisent avec le logiciel iCUE et les autres composants RGB de ma configuration. Les ventilateurs ont un technologie Corsair AirGuide que concentre le flux d'air et améliore le refroidissement, que soit en aspiration, en évacuation ou sur un radiateur. Number 1. Corsair iCUE Commander Pro. Take control of your PC's lighting and cooling with the Corsair iCUE Commander Pro. It's easy to use and makes customization a breeze. Manage up to 6 case fans simultaneously. It supports both 3-pin and 4-pin fans for ultimate flexibility. Keep an eye on your system's temperature with 4 temperature inputs. It helps you maintain optimal performance. Experience vibrant RGB lighting with support for 8 individually addressable RGB LED strips and up to 12 HD RGB or SP RGB fans. Customize your setup to match your style. It offers 2 internal USB 2.0 headers, allowing you to connect additional devices without using up all your motherboard's headers. Use the intuitive Corsair iCUE software for seamless management and monitoring. It provides complete control over all connected devices. It's compatible with Windows 10, 8, and 7. Make sure your motherboard has a USB 2.0 header and that you have the latest Corsair iCUE software installed. What we like. It offers comprehensive control over fans and RGB lighting. You can connect additional devices via USB. If you need a versatile controller for your entire system, this is the one to get. What people say. The back of the body is magnetized and attaches neatly to the wire tray. It allowed me to quiet my PC down significantly. I use the quiet fan speed mode, and I can barely hear the fans at all. Even when gaming, the PC is very quiet, contrary to before I had the controller, when the fans were running loud all the time, even at idle. Works for RGB or non-RGB fans, has a couple temp sensor to put where you want need but aren't requires, and its magnetic attachment or double side tap so easy to place onto case fan software works great, and honestly easy to use hub with individual fan control. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.